When you start a search, how many times do you find yourself adding or removing fields to the criteria? Hi, Daniel Katz with Ari Hangout here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a search template that contains the basic criteria that you normally use in such a way that every time you start, you can have that set of criteria questions ready and available for you. So as you can see here, I have a basic search for single family homes started, and it comes with this preloaded set of questions. So if I don't normally use township range, I can remove this field from the set of criteria. If I don't use subdivision number, I go ahead and remove it. And this way I start cleaning up this template and leaving only those fields that I normally use. So address I normally don't use, and let's say that year built is important, and geographic area as well. Once I'm done cleaning and removing those fields that I do not want, I start adding the ones that I do want. And the process is very simple. You go here where it says down at the bottom, add fields, and you can scroll through this drop down list, selecting the fields that you would like, or if you know the field name, you can add it manually. I normally include closing date in my searches because I not only include all active, but I also include closed sales. I want to put things into perspective. So once I found the field, I click add the field is added at the bottom. If I know my clients would not want to wait to buy, so I do not want to include short sales as part of my results, I click on short sale and I add the field, and as you can see, it gets added to the bottom. The same thing goes for REO. Maybe our clients want or do not want an REO. I select the field and I add it. Once I go through this lengthy list, selecting those fields that I would like to include in my criteria, I can reposition these fields. So if REO is important for me to have displayed at the very top of my list, I can push it up and then drop it in the position where I would like to have it. So I have here section, list price, bedrooms, bathrooms, and then immediately REO. And that way I can just sort out this list in a way that it's more convenient for me. Once I'm done sorting out, you can see that all these fields are blank. They do not contain an answer. I can go ahead and save this. It will become a template for me for later use. So I can put here a name that reflects what kind of template this is. This would be my RE1, one favorite template. And that way, once I'm done putting a name, I click save and I get a confirmation. And let me show you how this works. So I'm going to close this up. Let's assume right now that I'm on the home screen and I'm going to start a single family home search. I put the cursor of my mouse here and you'll find here RE1 favorite template. By clicking on it, that set of criteria will be loaded into my computer automatically, and here you go, REO, exactly where I left it. And that way I save time and I work more efficiently. Now this one was an example for single family home, and that's why I found it only under the single family home. So you will have to create your favorite templates for condominiums and for rentals. Remember to include pets allowed on your rental search template because it's a very important field. And go ahead, practice a little bit, and once you're done creating your templates, post a comment on my blog. It's arihangout.com on the blog section, and let me know what kind of templates you created. I'm curious to see what's important to you. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk next week. Bye-bye.